I'm going to take the 269.50 short to 69.50. We have a 2 point stop here from 69.50 because the news comes out at 10 o'clock, consumer confidence. We're waiting for the consumer confidence news. I was a little unsure whether to take a position this morning before that happened, but now this area I wanted to show you is off the screen. But at 947 column and the 936 column, there was significant, and the 942 column, there was significant trade, cross trade, 46 to 52, 36 to 12, 27 to 12, 41 to 22, 19 to 17, up in that area. And considering that we just poked our head above the recent highs and poked our head above the upper limits of the distribution, considering the pattern, I think there was a pretty good shot that we can get back down to yesterday's volume cluster, which the lower volume cluster in the beginning of the day was from 51 to the C period high at 64, the H period high 59 and a half. The day before yesterday's close was 55. So we're going to put our 10-point target. It's from 69.50 down to 59.50 for our exit. That might be a little bit much to ask, but if we can get a nice 10-point trade on this, then we might take the day off and try to recuperate from our sunburn here. Another minute or so to the consumer confidence news. We'll let the video run here. Tick so far is building positive, positive ticks though. The moving average line is moving down toward the mean. We did have a thrust up with a bar a minute ago toward the second standard deviation. It was a green bar, green candle. So if we close this bar with a red candle in negative, might be foreboding a little bit of a sell-off here. I can't imagine consumer confidence coming in stronger, but we're not going to risk much on the trade. 2 points is it. Alright, there's the 10 o'clock number. Let's see if we can get the 59s.
In my life, I've got someone who needs me, someone I've needed for so long.
For once, unafraid, I can go where life leads me, and somehow I know I'll be strong.
For once I can touch what my heart used to dream of long before I knew.
Make my dreams come true. For once in my life
Come fly with me, let's fly away.
If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay.
Come on, fly with me, we'll float down in the blue.
Fly with me, float down to blue.
In London land, there's a one-man band, and he'll toot his flute for you.
Fly with me, we'll take off in the blue.
Once I get you up there, where the air is rarefied,
We'll just fly, starring out. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so very near.
you might even hear a gang of angels cheer. Just let's get out of here.
Let's fly away.
She's a fool and don't I know it.
But a fool can have their choice.
I'm in love and don't I show it like a babe in arms.
Well, so far that C period high from yesterday has been a little bit of support. It bounced off to 64, 64.50. 64.50 now is counter rallying or short from 69.50. Protected with a 2-point stop. We're doing a little counter rally here. The consumer index was 75, lower than consensus, at least with briefing. But the 65 area we have to get through on the bottom side here. Now look at this. We're going to get stopped out of this damn trade. 69.50, 2-point stop is 71.50.
I will sing.
The only thing I can say that might have been a forewarning was the tick was building a positive bias. Would have had a chance to get out at the 64, 65, but we failed a couple. The fact that the C period high might have been resistance, or excuse me, support, and the fact that the New York stock tick chart was building positive bias pretty much from the open. Those two things combined probably should have swayed our mental process and at least maybe cut our target and taken the profit on a trailing basis, or just taking it to 64 would have gave us a 10-point trade. Now I think the high probability is we're going to lose 2 points times 2. So that was sort of interesting. Lesson learned. We'll pause the video and wait for the outcome.
To begin with,
While we're still in this trade, they never hit the 71.50 stop. They got up to 75. There was just too much selling pressure up there. And also in the morning, when I say the morning, I mean, it's around 10 o'clock, there was a lot of cross trade up there. You look at the replay and you'll see it. So we're going to stick with our target at 10 points. We're moving our exit target up to 60.25. That's above the H period high. That H period high might be support. We see a formation. We're out of here at 67. That's based on a formation in the tick chart. We have a big green bar after a second standard deviation hit. So we're out of here. We'll produce a video. We got a profit.